Hi, it's me, NyiZaw. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share you in Facebook group, Facebook community, how to remove a member from your group. Before we go this session, please, if you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe now. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Let's deep in. Firstly, we will see here, this is my page, the Facebook page experience page. So we have, this is the home page, and you will see here is the communities, or you can call groups. So click here, and you will see here communities that you manage or you group, so you click here, and then you will see here, this is the group we already in, and you will see the members, discussions, and the topics, the members. So click here in the members, and then you will scroll down slowly, and then you will see an account that unavailable. It means that that person doesn't use that account anymore, and maybe this account hack or take up from the Facebook company. Or this, if another reason is if the person doesn't follow the rules, group rules, then you can ban or you can remove from the group. So how you can do it? So firstly, you will have to click here, three dot. Firstly, what you have to decide it. You will ban from the group or you will remove from the group. So you have to choose one of them. If you ban from the group, he or she cannot join again anymore because you ban from the group. For example, if you remove the member, the member can join again. So it's depend on you. So I will remove the members. Then here, delete, I will click here, and if you tick ban, then you will not, the person cannot join again. So I make it all the ticks, and then I will confirm here. You will see here it's already removed from the group. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and you can also follow my social medias. Thank you.